Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to end or cancel your Amazon Prime membership. Whether you're looking to cut back on subscriptions or simply don't use the benefits anymore, this straightforward process will help you cancel your membership in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you're signed in, you'll be on Amazon's homepage ready to navigate to your membership settings. Now hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar, then select Prime Membership. This will take you directly to your Prime account overview, where you can view all the details about your current membership, including billing information and benefits. Although I don't have any Prime membership right now, I will show you the next step. Navigate to Manage Membership in the upper right of the page. This is where Amazon gives you control over your subscription settings. Then click the drop-down menu beside Update, Cancel, and More, and from that menu, select End Membership. This is the first step in officially starting the cancellation process. Next, scroll down until you find Continue to Cancel, then click it. Amazon may display some of the benefits you'll be losing, hoping to convince you to stay, but if you're sure about canceling, just keep moving forward with this button. This action confirms that you want to proceed with ending your membership. After clicking that, you'll be taken to a confirmation screen. Read the confirmation screen about when your membership will end. It's important to check this carefully because it will tell you the exact date your benefits stop. Then click the button that says End On, followed by a specific date or Cancel Membership, depending on your layout. Amazon sometimes changes the wording slightly, but the button will clearly indicate that you're finalizing the cancellation. Once you've clicked that button, wait for the final confirmation message that says your Prime membership has been canceled or will end on the shown date. This message is your official receipt that the cancellation went through. You might want to take a screenshot of this confirmation for your records, just in case you need to reference it later. Finally, check that your membership status now shows as not a member on the Prime membership page. This ensures that the cancellation was processed correctly and that you won't be charged again. You can return to this page anytime to verify your status or to rejoin Prime if you change your mind in the future. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Amazon Prime membership. The process is simple once you know where to look, and now you have full control over your subscription. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.